What's up, YouTube? This is part 2 for the graphing analysis video, where I'm going to be going over the pretest and then going over the assignment for today. So part 3, this is a part that a lot of students missed. It is more graph analysis of a line graph. Alberto and Bianca run a 50-kilometer race. The illustration below shows a graph of the position of two runners as a function of time. So that basically, it's kind of fancy way to say this graph shows two runners. It shows the time in the x-axis and then how far they went in the y-axis. So they're measuring how far each person's going over time. Early in the race, who runs faster? Blank runs faster. So what I'm going to look at, we have Alberto and Bianca. Let's say within the first hour, it looks like Alberto went an astonishing 20 kilometers, whereas Bianca only went 2.5. So since Alberto's higher up, early on in the race, we're going to say Alberto ran faster early on. Okay, Alberto maintains a speed of blank during the first hour of the race. So if you guys remember from math, you do slope. So the slope is going to be rise over run. So he did 20 kilometers in 1 hour. So it's going to be 20 over 1, 20 kilometers per hour is the speed. Bianca's speed, but after 1 hour, Alberto gets tired and must take a break. Unfortunately, he falls asleep. Meanwhile, Bianca's running speed, it either decreases, increases, or stays the same. So a way to figure this one out, if something is decreasing, it'll be going down. It'll be sloping down. So we know Bianca's speed isn't going down, so it's not decreasing. Increasing, it goes up. And if it's a straight line, it's the same speed. If it's straight line, that would be maintaining the same speed. But Bianca's line constantly is getting larger and larger vertically. It keeps increasing and going up, curving up. So she is getting faster as the time goes on. After 1 hour, Albert gets tired and makes take a break. Unfortunately, falls asleep. How long did he sleep for? So this one a couple people missed. What I want to look at is when did he fall asleep and then what time did he wake up? So it looks like he fell asleep at hour 1 and he got back up again at hour 4. Hour 4 here. So you do 4 minus 1, that'd be 3 hours. First person to cross the finish line is blank. So what I want to look at, who got to 50 kilometers or the end first? It looks like the blue line, and then it's Bianca. And that's the pretest for you. Now we're going to be going over our first graphing worksheet for the day, and that's what we're doing for the rest of the day. So I want you to go to day 3, go to explorelearning.com. The class code is right here. This is for period 1. It'll be different for each class. I want you to copy it. So at Explore Learning, I'm already logged in, but I'm going to log out so it looks like what you all will see. So you see the screen, go to the top right, go to login and /enroll, and you guys are going to enroll. So you put your class code right here, and then do enroll in class. Remember the code is in the instructions here. Okay, all of you will need to create an account. This will ask you for your name, and then you to make a username. So I'm not going to give my email, you don't have to, but I will give my name, Mr. King, and then I'll put my username, Mr. King, come up with a password, and then password, come up with the password, and then confirm. And then you click submit. Okay, after you submitted, you should go to a screen that will display your class. It'll look something like this. It'll see graphing skills, and then you're going to want to click launch. Okay, what I like to do, put it full screen. So this is what we're doing for the day. We're going to construct a graph. While you're doing the graph, I want you to have this worksheet open. So this is how you do it. We're going to do the first graph together, and then we'll finish it tomorrow on Thursday before the quiz. So this one, it goes over instructions how to do it, but we're going to start making the bar graph. Okay, so I want you to have show instructions up so you see what to do. Write a graph, come up with a graph title, and the most important thing is try and get these values to match.